In today's video, I'm going to share with you 30 logbook niches. Now, every single niche which I'm about to share is being searched on Amazon. What you want to do is take that list, take those niches, go over to Amazon, and then start to dive deeper. So, I have a lot of logbook niches which we're quickly going to run through. But first, these 30 niches which I'm about to share is part of a bigger list of niches, and that's where I shared 99 logbook niches. Now this list just here, I know you can't see them because I have blurred them out, but this niche just here is something which I shared within the LCB Vault. This is our main course about low content book publishing, and we have lots and lots of training videos and helpful research to really help you out. If you want to check this out, there will be a link down in the description below. So, 30 logbook niches. I have a lot which I'm quickly going to cover, so let's go ahead and quickly run through these. The first one, we have phone call logbook. Then, voicemail logbook as well. Now, at any point you do want to take this list, I am also going to leave it down in the description below. But that's the second, the third being boat logbook. Then flying logbook, drone logbook, caregiver logbook, diabetes logbook, skydiving logbook, and hiking logbook as well. Along with driver's logbook. Now they're the first 10. We now have another 10 just here, which is a driver's daily logbook. Baby food logbook, ship's logbook, professional pilot logbook, notary logbook, helicopter pilot logbook, a UAV pilot logbook as well, then workout logbook, ship logbook, and mini logbook as well. That's 20, so let's go ahead and quickly say the last 10 as well, which are a student pilot logbook, key logbook, blood glucose logbook, weight training logbook, a baby daily logbook, then a meeting logbook, mileage logbook, marine logbook, sales call logbook, and also gym logbook as well. So that's the 30 logbook niches which I'm sharing, and again, if you do want to take this list, I am going to leave it down in the description. Now what you want to do with this list is take every single niche one by one and then start plugging that into Amazon and then start diving deeper, because if you do that, you're going to find even more keywords related to every niche just here. So let me show you what I mean by this. I have said this a few times and showed this a few times within previous videos, but let's go ahead and do this again. So here we are on Amazon. Now this tool just here is called Titans Pro. This is a paid tool, but it's a really great tool for actually doing your research. Now, do you need to use Titans Pro? No, you don't. You can use any research tool that you tend to use already. It doesn't really matter about the tool, it's all about diving deeper. But if I were to recommend a tool, I would recommend this one, which is Titans Pro, because it's actually pretty good. Now, all I've gone ahead and done is taken one of those niches and plugged it into Amazon. Now, with Titans Pro, it's given us lots of Amazon suggestions on what people are actually searching for on Amazon and relating to diabetes logbook. Now, if we take a look through this, this is all of the related keywords related to diabetes logbook. Then from here, we could start diving deeper. So the great thing about this tool is that we can filter this through opportunity and demand. Now with Titans Pro, if they're both in green, then that's going to be your best option. But even if they're not just all in green, it doesn't matter, because even with a demand of 4, you can still get pretty good results. Now if we filter this through opportunity or demand, we can see what the keywords are. So let's go with demand. Diabetes log looks really good, both are green. Blood glucose logbook. So that's related to diabetes, but it's not actually the diabetes logbook. So this is what I mean when I say dive deeper, because you're going to find even extra better keywords. So with this one, blood glucose logbook. The search volume or estimated search volume is almost 3,500. There's only just over 1,000 results as well. The demand looks good and the opportunity looks good as well. So what I could now do is go over and start researching this keyword, blood glucose logbook. Now this is another extension by Self-Publishing Titans. This one's completely free and it's going to give you some really great data. We can see opportunity 9, demand is 5. Total number of results is pretty low. Exact match for blood glucose logbook. It says there's nothing in other titles. Now I'm not too sure about that. That might be a little bit glitchy. But there's also 44 independently published books. Now the independently published books are other books through KDP. Now the average BSR looks pretty good with 361,000. And if we actually go ahead and take a look through this, we can take a look at the BSRs. So blood glucose logbook, look at that, 43,000 BSR. Then we have on this one, 42,000, 39,000, 40,000, 22,000. So right off the bat, a blood glucose logbook looks pretty good. Now I could even dive even deeper into this keyword as well, just to take a look. So what I'll do is click on there, let Self-Publishing Titans do its thing and pull up all related keywords like so. And now I can start diving through these. So for opportunity, there's one with an 8, but the demands aren't as great as they were on the main keyword. So right through here, we can take a quick look. We can see that nothing doesn't actually look as good as the blood glucose logbook. So the blood glucose logbook is a niche that you could potentially go and create books in. And remember, that's come from the list of 30 logbook niches. So take one of these one by one, come over to Amazon, start typing them in, and then just start diving deeper. And I guarantee if you do this for a good couple of hours, then you're going to come across some really great niches that have really great potential. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of my videos, then click right here and watch 60 planner niches.